Okay, we've finished our head. We got the wig all on what we wanted. So he's ready to go. Last thing we need to do is we're going to take our hands and put our hands on our figure here, on the body. You're going to make sure you got the right and the left hand in the right spot. You don't want to make a mistake. Put it on the wrong side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, please put it in my comment section. I appreciate hearing your comments. Okay. Last thing we're going to do is we've got our paste wax. We're going to take some paste wax on here, and we always put some along our neck in here. This just helps the head to slide easier for you. So periodically you want to touch this up with a little paste wax. You can also put it on the bottom of the neck if you want to. So now he's ready to get him dressed, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.